Every summer, open fields across the globe are temporarily transformed into high decibel environments. Events like Wacken Open Air in Germany or the Download Festival in the United Kingdom accommodate upwards of 80,000 attendees over a single weekend, functioning as temporary cities dedicated to live rock and heavy metal music. Through a review of academic literature covering event management, cultural geography, and acoustic engineering, I have gathered documented data on the logistical procedures used by event promoters to construct and execute these large-scale gatherings. Today I will outline the process of building a rock and heavy metal music festival by examining three operational phases. First, the pre-production and booking phase. Second, the logistical staging and infrastructure build. And third, the live execution and teardown. The event timeline begins 12 to 18 months before the scheduled performance date. The primary step involves securing land use. According to Dr. Chris Anderton's 2019 scholarly book, Music Festivals in the UK, organizers must negotiate with local municipalities and to obtain temporary event license, noise variance permits, and land leasing agreements. This step includes drafting environmental impact assessments to detail how the event will handle waste management and soil preservation for the duration of the festival. Following site confirmation, promoters contract the performing artist. Contracts include a technical writer, a document detailing the specific electronic and stage requirements for each band. Because heavy metal bands frequently use specialized amplifiers and extensive drum kits, organizers use these writers to calculate the total electrical load required for the weekend. Approximately 2 weeks prior to the event, construction begins on the festival site. The construction of the main stage involves assembling structural steel capable of holding tons of equipment, and the standard text Sound Reinforcement Handbook. Audio engineers Gary Davis and Ralph Jones detailed the use of line array speaker systems. These systems involve vertically stacking loudspeaker enclosures, which allows sound technicians to project lower frequency bass and heavy guitar distortion evenly across large distances without localized audio feedback. Heavy metal audiences routinely engage in kinetic activities such as circular running patterns known as mosh pits. To accommodate this, site managers install specific crowd control architecture. According to the 2012 Regional Development in Australia by geographers Chris Gibson and John Connell, event organizers install heavy-duty, interlocking aluminum barricades, often referred to as mojos, in a curved or T-shaped formation. This configuration prevents crowd crushing by dividing the audience into smaller sectors and provides security personnel with a physical walkway to extract individuals requiring medical attention. The final phase occurs during the operational days of the festival and immediately following its conclusion. During the event, the timeline is managed by a stage manager. Between each heavy metal band's performance, there is a scheduled interval of 15 to 30 minutes known as a changeover. During this time, a team of stage hands uses rolling risers to push the previous band's equipment off the stage while simultaneously rolling the next band's pre-wired drum kit and amplifiers into the central performance area. The process of dismantling the festival is known in the industry as the strike. Once the final band concludes their set, touring crews and local stagehands immediately begin disassembling the audio consoles, lighting rigs, and scaffolding. The strike happens in reverse order of the build, concluding with the removal of the perimeter fencing and the restoration of the grounds to their pre-event condition. In review, the creation of a heavy metal festival is a multi-step process. It requires a lengthy pre-production phase to secure land and artist contracts, a highly technical infrastructure build utilizing line array acoustics and specialized crowd barricades, and a strictly timed execution phase that ends with the immediate dismantling of the site. By following these documented steps, event management teams are able to temporarily construct an environment capable of supporting hundreds of thousands of watts of sound, housing tens of thousands of people, and erasing all physical traces of the event a few days later. Thank you.